What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing this morning? Welcome to another live stream where I'm essentially doing YouTube full time and I do things for money. I'm basically a girl on Twitch now. I'm just kidding. How are you guys? Let's post this to Discord. What's up, Romans? What's up, Petey? How you doing? Cheapen yourself for $1 a push-up? It was after chest day, so I had to raise that because I didn't want some guy to come in here and drop like $250, and then I have to do 250 push-ups, and then I have to like refund the money. So I don't want to do that. So today, I don't mind doing some push-ups on the recovery day. What's up, AN? Anthony? How's it going? We're just going to hang out for a few minutes and I got to go to the gym. I'm now a Twitch thought. Here we go. Let's see. I gotta make some more videos today. I'm making a video right after the gym for some 3 websites for back-end technology. It's gonna be sweet. Michael, what's up, dude? Josh Robbins reborn. I know. You're heading to the gym in 15 minutes. Hello, brudda. What's up, Paul? Twitch link? I don't have a Twitch link. What am I going to train? Today's back. So deadlift, lat pull downs. The world is your gym. Hello, bro. You make cool vids about programming. Appreciate you, man. Gotta say, you seem happier after leaving the job, dude. It's so good. Whenever I start to feel down, I just remember where I was a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Hey, from Nigeria. You said that already, but hello. The more you do, the more they cost. All right. We'll do that. I mean, part of streaming is engaging, and another part of streaming is, views. Welcome to Neck Curls. Okay. What up, Brobot? How's Sway? Love from India. Love from Salt Lake City. How's it going? Isn't there a guy on MTV named Sway? Maybe we can we can just maybe look at some of my old videos and just have a nice little meme. Just roast myself because I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but. What's up, Liam Jefferson? How's it going? How you guys doing? I have some videos that I didn't release. They're just so cringy. I have one where I'm like almost begging for like donations and support for the channel, and I have like 200 subscribers. I'm like, I'm gonna do YouTube full time. Here we go. And I was like, it zooms in on my face, and it's like, my name is Josh Fluke, and this is the riskiest thing I've ever done. And I somehow I thought that was gonna work. It didn't. That didn't work. Every time I watch it, I'm like, Josh, how could you seriously post this video? Look, I'll show you. I have to find it. It has like this emotional music to it and stuff. I've been your secret mentor, admitting and wanting to say thanks. Hey, appreciate that. I don't really know what I do. I just try to do different things that help people out. Where's it at? What do you guys think about videos where I answer questions from emails? I get a lot of emails. So I'm thinking about maybe doing some videos that answer questions. Roast sessions with Josh, on Josh, by Josh. What's the plan to stream today? We're just hanging out, and then I got to make a video on back-end technologies that you guys can use, and then I have to go to the gym, and then I'll stream some more Python and maybe make another video, or stream on Twitch, or work on my website. I have some students to teach. In the Arms of the Angel? No, it's not that bad. It's pretty bad, but it's not that bad. I gotta find it. Some of these thumbnails. Did you miss anything? No, you didn't miss anything. We're just hanging out. I'm gonna bounce. Oh, look at this thumbnail. Please don't autoplay. Look at this. Look at this thumbnail. This is terrible. This is a challenge. What is this font, Josh? What is this? What am I thinking? Got an interview night for Full Stack Engineer. Any last minute tips? I can't tell you last minute tips because I don't know the job, or, you know, Full Stack's very broad. Full Stack is very, like what's the company do? What's the tech? Best books on C# for absolute beginners. Don't read a book on C#. Go play with Unity. Come on, man. You're not going to learn anything if you sit and read a book as an absolute beginner. You'll probably get a lot more mails. Hey, that's okay. That's more content. If you guys want to see a picture of my girlfriend, I haven't really made a video with her yet. I think this is unlisted. Here's a picture of the girlfriend. She's in a video. I was just looking through these the other day. Ooh, I have one that's definitely unlisted, which was me filming myself working out when I used to be really fat. I will never release this video. Maybe if I get to 100,000. Am I married? Hell no. I will not get married. The secret to staying motivated. What is this picture, Josh? 83 views. These are feels bad. These are feels bad videos. 83 views. I spent like 7 hours editing this. These 7 views are like from my mom and dad and my 3 friends at work. So, what is this? This is your destiny. What does that even mean, Josh? Look, this is the one. Best motivation ever. This video right here will never see the likes of the public because it's just so bad. Look, what is this? This is terrible. What's up, Brian? Wow, videos. Trying to use my girlfriend for clickbait here. Trying to use big numbers for money for clickbait. Nothing works. 105 views. I spent like literally a whole Saturday making this video for 105 views. Oh, that's the way the YouTube algorithm goes. You guys got big plans for today? Done with work? What's up, Andre? How you doing? How's the stream quality? Pretty good? Taylor, didn't you just... I was just looking at my phone. I think you did a Marco. Is AdSense the best for own public project, or can you recommend something else? What? Don't use AdSense, because then you're depending on traffic. Did a master's degree in mechanical engineering 3 years ago. Didn't get any work experience or a job. Feel like you got stuff. What? Forgot stuff that you learned. Not sure you even want to do engineering. Yeah, probably don't. Can you make use of your degree? For mechanical engineering, a bachelor's all you need. Anything else is just on-the-job experience. Unless you want to get like the certification, then you need X amount of, Josh, what is Docker? Google it, dude. Stream is blurred. Might just be your connection. Where do you get started with Node.js? I feel like get started with Node.js. Just copy paste that into Google. That would work. That would tell you more than I could. First a couple days, it's not full-time YouTube. Like I still have like 3-4 other jobs. It's not like I only make YouTube videos and I only make money on like AdSense. That's a terrible way to make a living. But it's pretty good. Am I gonna watch Will Smith bungee jump over the Grand Canyon? I don't know. Maybe. I didn't know he was doing that. Sounds kind of fun. I would say in most professions a master's degree isn't really needed because you can get a bachelor's degree and then learn everything else you need on the job. And then you're just going to be in debt, like way more. Stream's good, crank it to 1440. I can't do that while I'm streaming. Yeah, except the thing with mechanical engineering, Zach, is essentially you can't do your own thing. You can't like go out and like just build buildings and build ventilation units. Like you have to be certified with everything. How am I feeling? I feel great, dude. I feel great. It's not that big of a decision. It's just kind of the only decision I had to make. What technologies did I know? I knew Angular, jQuery, a little Firebase, Parse, which promptly went out of business. That was the thing at the bootcamp. Like we learned Parse, and then 2 weeks later after we learned it at bootcamp, it went out of business. So it's just like, great looking out, bootcamp. Good job. We're learning actual technologies that are going to become deprecated right now. Yeah, you need a PE, but even if you have a PE license, when your bridge fails or when your parking garage collapses, then they're gonna come after you. Whereas, if you make a software and the software breaks, assuming you don't leak someone's like financial information, nothing happens. Whereas if you're a mechanical engineer and something breaks, people get injured, possibly, more likely. What else do you want to rely on other than traffic? You don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. You need to sell an item. When am I going to give Android development a try? Probably not, because I think progressive web apps will probably overtake that. You attended some job interviews, didn't get the job. Going to try to go for the jobs, were too competitive. Yeah, so you feel discouraged and lost motivation. And so what happens when you feel discouraged and you lose motivation? You definitely have zero chance. So as soon as you give up, all of your chances to do anything totally disappear. Whereas if you at least try, you still have a chance. So losing motivation is just not an option, dude. It's just, you cannot be motivated and you can still get shit done. Okay? Feeling discouraged is, don't let your emotions bully you, man. Don't would you let a person say you need to feel sad right now? Like, don't let them bully you, dude. You're your own man. But Nicholas, yeah, I would probably sell product. I got about 15 more minutes. I have to go lift some weights. Oh, this is my Twitch channel, by the way. We'll probably be streaming on here on the weekends. Have a fun today, Josh. Later. Don't you have stand up in like 10 minutes? Is 25 too old? If you think it's old. If you think it's too old, then you're going to assume that that's true. It doesn't matter what I think. I don't think it's too old. I think that I'm working with people that are like 48 even in their 50s right now, learning to code. And they're picking it up just fine. Like they're doing everything that anyone else would do, and they're they have portfolios now. Like if you think 25 is too old, it's not. You can learn to code at any age. Now, getting a job might be a little more difficult, but when did I start to code? 24. 24, 25. One of those. What's the time? 8:21 in the morning. Project goes online sooner or later. Fashion related. Yeah, so AdSense is not. If you have something about fashion, use affiliate links for your fashion people. You know what I mean? Hope everyone kills it today. Alexander, go kill it, dude. $380 to $700 per day salary. What does that mean? 380 to 700 units of what? You need to give me a dollar value, a currency to use. So he wants to pay you 2.5 times your current salary, but I don't know what that means. $700 a day is pretty good, I guess. How old you now? I am 28 years old, Owen. Hello, man. What's up, dude? Is 25 too old to find a job? Yes. I didn't get a job until I was 26. No one cares how old you are. Really, no one cares. You can get a job at any age. Like, you don't indicate your age on your resume. Don't make it easy for them to figure that out. I know it's messed up, but age isn't that big of a deal. What's up, funny? Euros, 700 euros per day. How do you make 380 to 700? What is that range? 25 years old, dude. You're like only a quarter of a century. How did you obtain general knowledge about the job market? Was it through pure experience? It was through pure experience. I have done so many interviews that I've got rejected from. So many. Right? So many interviews. I've applied to so many jobs. When I didn't have a job, I didn't sit around all day and I didn't play video games. I didn't do this or that. Like my job was to find a job. So for 14 hours a day, I would just read how to make resumes. I would read what the best sites are. I would go to Hired. I would go to dice.com. I would go to every single website everywhere and apply to everything and just do everything I could. And I made it like impossible for myself not to succeed. But even then, I was still like having doubts. I was like, what am I doing wrong? If you're under 40, even if you're over 40, it still doesn't matter. If you're over 40, you can still get a job. You can still learn to do it. I've seen it happen. But mainly, the experience came from getting rejected a whole bunch. $0.30 for one push-up? Where's your value at? Just looks desperate. Kids? I don't have kids. No kids. Where can you find tutor for C++ courses? What do you mean? Like a personal tutor? There's probably plenty of I think codementors.com is a website. I think you can get some from there. Maybe just watch some videos on Unreal Engine. That will teach you C++. That's what Unreal Engine is built in. Giving you hope, dude. There's always hope. You can think yourself to a positive day. You can think yourself to a negative day. It's all about what you think. If you think that you don't have a chance. You're going to start doing things that reflect that. Is Java lagging behind in the current job market? I don't know. I don't do Java because I've never done it. 7 months into programming, still have to watch tutorials to build stuff. Hey, me too. $0.30 is 2 Turkish liras, so you get more profit for your lifestyle. I guess, but the market here is mainly the US, so I'd say you're doing yourself a disservice. What's going on? What's my opinion on CSS naming class conventions? Are you a BIM fan? I don't really have an opinion. I just, whatever works. I don't get that, you know. How much money to shave your head? I'm not shaving my head. Is it enough to make Java project to get your first job? Probably not. You need to do more than just one project. One project is usually copy and pasteable. They need to see multiple indications that you can code. If you make one project, like probably if you make like 4 projects, one of those projects will be enough for them to like raise an eyebrow and be like, oh, this is kind of cool. But if you have one project, that's either they have to like fall in love with it or they don't like it. If someone would like to start mobile web, what do you think is the best one? Probably go with React. I'm pretty sure. Well, React Native, but progressive web apps will probably take over native eventually. So iOS, Swift, Kotlin, Java, all that stuff, it's just going to be beaten out by web development. Good stuff. So what are we doing? $1 for one push-up. So what is that? 5 GBP to USD. So you get 6.5 push-ups. Okay, hold on. I'm kind of sore. We'll make it happen. There you go. There's your 7 push-ups. You probably couldn't see them, but there you go. 6.58 push-ups. Yeah, I did 7. So you got a little extra for your money there. How is there 95 people watching me do things for money? Why is this? I'm now a Twitch thought. I just need a lower cut shirt and I'll be good. Make projects and enter competitions. I don't know. I think it depends on the mindset of the person. Chairs in the way didn't count. Okay, well the pump says differently. If you enter into a project competition and you don't do good, you're going to be discouraged and think that you don't know how to code. Or you're going to be competing with people that are no-lifes and they literally do nothing else except, need more parallel on the push-ups. You couldn't even see the push-ups. Also, that was good. Okay. All right, chairs in the way. He says need more. So what is that? Euros to dollars? Is that $3? How much can you bench? Does it matter? Doesn't really matter. I can bench more than my body weight. That's enough for me. 2.7 push-ups. All right, we'll do 3 push-ups. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We got 3 push-ups. All right, there you go. Let's see. You personally don't find value on channels like Yoma and Mayuko. Do you think you're wrong? What are my thoughts on those channels? I think those channels all know each other, and they all use each other to boost their subscriber counts, and they didn't have to start from the bottom. So that's what I think. You have a bar in your door and you do some pull-ups every time? So basically, my house is so old that the door frame won't hold one of those. YouTube doesn't keep any percentage of YouTube donations. They don't keep anything. It's donation to me, not to YouTube. Otherwise, people wouldn't do it. They would just link a PayPal. More narrow grip on the push-ups. Elbows close to butt. I mean, there's 5 different ways to do push-ups. You want to talk about push-ups? I just did chest yesterday, Matt. So chest muscles are a little sore. We're doing other styles. What's my experience with employers hiring people that require visa sponsorship? Only at large corporations. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, typically smaller corporations don't do it. Self-taught electrical engineering. I mean, the best way to learn about electrical engineering is to plug in a toaster and throw it in a bathtub. You'll learn a lot about the fundamentals of electricity. Dude, what's up? Do I play video games at all? I play on console. I mean, not console, PC. I play Halo on console, and then I'll play PUBG on my phone. Here's my Twitch channel. I'll go stream on there. If you guys want to go follow that. It doesn't have anything on it. I haven't done anything. Narrow grip gives more tension to the biceps. Yeah, I know. Those are the push-ups that I was doing yesterday. I just mix it up. Why do people care how I do my push-ups? The form is good, back is straight, butt is up. It doesn't matter how else I do it. Dude, please answer. What do you think on brain-computer interfaces? I don't know what that means. You finish your workout by the time most people are pulling up to the gym? Yeah. Don't joke like that. People have died charging their phones and using it in the tub. Look, Darwinism works in mysterious ways. Okay? Natural selection has its ways of working. So, I don't feel bad. Is it foolish to expect to land your first job remotely? No, Katie did that. You've only received negative feedback. That's just because you've only received negative feedback doesn't mean that you're not doing something right, okay? Like, that just means you've only submitted to companies that have given you negative feedback. Got a job interview in a few hours? Nice, dude. Make better overlay. Okay. Emmanuel, you got it, dude. You're gonna get it. Eminem or MGK? Why does it matter? I think Interscope is the real winner. They're both signed to the same label. I'm pretty sure it's fabricated drama. Genius for Interscope. Do I really care who wins? No, not really. I like them both. Miss me with that logical, only this or this. No, there's always a third option. You have in your veer in 3 hours. Nice, dude. You guys got this. Yanni, what's up, dude? But seriously, Alex, you can get a remote job. It's going to be difficult. You're competing with people that have been working in an office, but I don't know, first job is going to be difficult to get in general, and then you're tacking on a competitive aspect of remote, of people that have been working, like in the industry. Just got accepted to college for computer engineering. Well, that's pretty sweet. Hope that you learn, applicable concepts. Hope that they don't teach you a bunch of useless stuff. Do I recommend any books on algorithms and data structures? Team Treehouse released an algorithms and data structures course a couple days ago. That was cool, pretty cool. Might do that. Do I know any books on it? Yeah, I actually have some books on my website. It's like, let me find it. Let me find the link. Which school did I attend? I went to a tiny little school on the Russian border in Finland. I need to fix my button. My button hovers. What do we got? What do we got? Maybe clean code. Clean code is good. I don't know if that's... Maybe cracking the coding interview. That'd be good. It's really popular. Hey Josh, 7+1. Can you put a link to your website in your bio or something? It's hard to find. There is a link. It's not on the live stream, but it's in all of my videos. Oh, you want, yeah, which code bootcamp did I go to? Yeah, I went to Dev Mountain before it got bought out. I need to work on my website so bad. Okay, yeah, here's the link, by the way. Oh, for Twitch, if you guys want to play some games, maybe we can stream some games, that's my link. And then let me link this programming books. Here's a link of programming books. Do you know where you can prepare for an international programming competition? That's very specific. I feel like you should just get good at programming, and then regardless of where you're at, you'll be good for international purposes, my friend. But you just go to prepareforointernationalprogrammingcompetition.com and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay? Perfect website for that. That's where you can prepare. James. Kago. What? Oh, you mean CSGO? Yeah, I'm not going to play CSGO. What do I have planned for the day? I gotta go to the gym here in a second, and then I need to make a video. You just trying to play some Overwatch? We'll do some Overwatch for sure. Maybe in the evenings when I don't have, when I've completed everything I have to do for the day, and we can stream some games I can engage without, Do I follow any sports? Nah, I don't have any time to follow other people's lives. I'm too busy living my own. It's like those gossip magazines that you see when you're checking out at the store. People magazine. X divorces X. Like, who cares? I'm so worried about other people's lives. You should just focus on your own. Same with sports. I'm not worried about what sport team is going to win because I have no connection to them. No relational, emotional connection. It's like the dudes that are like, my boy didn't do good last night. He doesn't even know who you are. Who is your boy? You've never even played on that team. How can you identify so strongly? I don't get it. Doesn't make any sense. My team didn't do... Yeah, we didn't do good. Who is we? You sat on your couch eating Cheetos and hot wings and, watching the game. And you're like, we, my team, my dude, my guy. What? What are you talking about? Don't talk about it like you were there. Like you were in the game. You sat on your couch. I don't know. I can't do it. Those people. Ugh. Doug McQuinn. That's like the people that come up to you at work when you're at the cubicle. Did you catch the game night? We didn't really do good, but my boy did the, he dunked it. Dude, don't talk about it like you have his phone number and you text every day. You really have nothing going on. You have so much nothing going on in your life that you are identifying with celebrities alone. But a bunch of people do that. A bunch of people spend money to tailgate. I don't... Where can we pay for some Josh Vinting podcast? You would subscribe to that. Have I changed my thoughts on Java? I was just doing some good books. I wanted to just include things outside of Java. Have I changed my thoughts on Java? No, not really. I don't know anything about it to have any thoughts on Java, to be honest. I just know that's mostly what, I don't know. Just like the weirdnesses that don't relate to me, weirdnesses that I missed. I don't know. People getting really involved with like fantasy football and stuff. Like, I don't know. I never made that connection. Aren't you just hyped about the game? No, I have other stuff that I'm gonna be doing. It seems to help people going through problems and medical issues. Well, you're gonna have medical issues if you sit on the couch and watch the game and eat hot wings and Cheetos every Sunday. Do I think the ocean is salty because the land never waves back? Of course it is. Absolutely. It's 4:20 now. So desperate for cash, you don't have a job, you have to do things for donations? LOL. It's just a meme, dude. Just a meme. I'm not desperate for money. Let's see. Epitech. Let's take a look. Madness. Someone suggested a live code along earlier. What do you think? I already did that yesterday, and I've done that before with Python. And I'll do another one today. Landing page on is actually titled landing page. Wasn't sure if you meant to edit that. Yeah, I have to fix like little things like that. Placing people first. What is Epitech? Do I regret quitting my job? Absolutely not, because I don't want a job. I want a calling. Oh, epitech.eu maybe? Oh, it's all in French. I guess it looks good. Do they have a guarantee? Do I regret not working for someone else? No. Programs. About. Career services. Why don't they just call it customer service? There's no visa and insurance. Admissions. Do they have a guarantee? Am I building my site with React? No, I'm building it with WordPress because I don't have time to build an e-commerce website from scratch and make videos and all that stuff. And it's just not like, I just don't really have any interest in creating an e-commerce site from scratch. Like, it just doesn't make sense. And I can use like, all the plugins and stuff. Explore Hindi, best channel, please prom my channel. No, hide, ban, enjoy it. What is the $1 equals 1 push-up? It's just a meme. Because, that's what you do, right? When you're doing YouTube full time and you're doing streams, that's what all the streamers do. They're like, all right, for $5, your donation will be read aloud, Also, the plugins for WooCommerce and stuff are really nice, and I'd have to code those from scratch or figure out a way to implement an e-commerce from scratch and then add those add-ons. And it's just like, I'm trying to live, not trying to. I don't need to do that. Stripe is still going to take their 3%. PayPal is still going to take their 2%, except now it's going to take me 6 months to make it. Which plugins or system are you using? Right now, I just have WooCommerce. Josh the Logician. Hi, what's up, dude? Imagine walking by someone who sits in the car going towards work in the morning. Yeah, I've done that. It's really nice. Like right about now, if I go for a drive down the road, I see everyone in their car like, oh God, here we go. Another day. And they're like sipping their little Starbucks, right? They're just like sitting at the red light like, oh shit. They just look so unhappy. And I remember because I was that guy. Every single day. William, what's up, dude? It's going pretty good. Can't see the website in English. Yeah, I mean I can, but I don't see anything about like an educational guarantee for your money. Is it free? Quick facts. I don't see anything about tuition fees. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, TikTok Stars. I don't know. TikTok Stars is like the new Vine. I downloaded TikTok because I kept getting ads for it, and then I scrolled through and I was like, this is as bad as Instagram comedy. Like, this is terrible. Like, I don't care about money that much. I still want to do something that I like. You created a web shop system from scratch. Took 9 months to complete. Yeah, so I have to live and pay bills, so I don't really have time to do that kind of stuff for my site. I started to do Shopify, and I was like, no. You're better than Shopify. You at least do something in, like, at least with a WordPress, you can customize a PHP. If you enjoy this, smash the subscribe button and the like. Right here. Smash it. I'd appreciate that. Helps the videos do good. Helps it place higher in the algorithm. Congrats on leaving your job. It feels weird. It's like everyone's congratulating me for taking an L on 5K a month so that I can, I don't know. It's weird. It's like when people congratulate other people for getting pregnant. It's like, congratulations, biology worked. I don't get it. I don't see how much this cost. Did I recommend Heroku or whatever it's called? I mean, it's free. You have to use their subdomain, but it's free. I think it's pretty good. You could use DigitalOcean. You could use an S3 bucket from Amazon. I still have to figure out how to do that. You can customize Shopify with Liquid, which is a Ruby templating language. Yeah, I mean, I know you can do the Liquid stuff, but it's just not the same. Like, the theme options that you have are so much more limited, and especially, like, on the page, like how you manipulate the information, how it's connected. What % did you pay in taxes working remote? The same % that I paid when I didn't work remote. If you mean, like, why are you so opinionated on everything? How old are you? I'm 28. What's to going on? I don't know, dude. What's up? Open cart? In one of my videos, I said avoid a job posting that mentions Jedi or Ninja. Can I elaborate on that? I think it's just I don't know. I think they just perpetuate these stupid software developer stereotypes that are like, we have, the best open office in the world. And it's like, okay, open offices are proven to reduce productivity, and they tell you because it's supposedly, whatever. When do you take the drive pills? Before I go to the gym or when I'm coding. That's what they're for. Will I ever be making a Udemy course? I have a course on GitHub, GitFlow. It's on my Teachable. If you want to see my Teachable, you can go there. It's still under On Focus. I need to rebrand that. I just haven't had any time to do that yet. Here. I have one course. I'm not making Udemy though. Udemy takes too much money. So pass on that. If you charge $10, Udemy takes 90% of that, unless you link to it directly. You're going to say that to a pregnant person, just see the reaction? I mean, I don't know. Everyone's like, good job. Like, you did what nature, it works. I don't get it. Unless you've had like some medical conditions that have made it like really difficult or hard for you. I feel like otherwise it's just like nature worked. Great. Do you think pursuing a graduate degree specializing in AI is worth it? I don't think pursuing a degree specializing in it is worth it. Yeah, you would definitely learn more on the job learning AI than you would getting the degree. And you're not... So would you rather get paid to learn how to use AI that you're going to use in the real world because you're doing it in the real world? Or would you rather pay money to learn stuff that you may or may not use on the job? So, like, think about it like that. I'm opinionated, right? But, like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you could congratulate people that, like, have babies that have had, like, medical conditions or it's been difficult or something, But otherwise, it's just, like, nature, man. Have I thought about working as a recruiter? You will get to know a lot of juniors. I don't want to be a recruiter because I don't want to make my money having to make someone look good that I know is not qualified to do the job. I'm not going to recommend, like, recruiters are just like, they throw anything at the wall because they need to make a living. Like, if you put C# on your resume, they're going to send you in for an Objective C job. Like, just because it says C. Udemy has a genius marketing structure. I mean, not really. I mean, it's pretty obvious that the courses are always on sale. So why don't they just charge $10 for all the courses? No one ever pays $199 to learn how to do HTML from scratch. Opinionated. More ways to show your ignorance. You want to see opinionated? Enjoy the ban. Okay. What else we got? I want to send you a link on Epitech, but YouTube doesn't let you send a link. I mean, I looked at it, but does it have a guarantee? I know what to look for, right? I feel like I'd get a lot of underqualified people. I just don't see anything in here about a guarantee. And I don't see anything about how much it costs. Can I please check your resume? I already checked your resume. I made a whole video on yours, Karam. I did yours on a resume review Saturday. Oh, quick facts. Here we go. Quick facts. 100% of graduates find a job after graduation, and it's in bold. Look at this. This seems like a very suspicious statistic, my dudes. Look at this. I'm looking at the Epitech. 100% of graduates find a job after graduation. Graduates work in key management positions. Isn't this for code, though? Why would you want to be in management after going to Code Bootcamp? 80 international partner universities. 500 students. What? I don't know. That seems a little suspicious. You know what I mean? I don't have any moderators here today. I need some moderators. Who else is here? Oh, HF. Brody's here. They probably all get a job. Yeah, but is the job paid or unpaid? You know what I mean? So is like... Juan is always here. Juan, you can be a mod. You're a mod in coding phases, so it only seems right. There you go. What do I suggest you do after the web dev track at Team Treehouse? Hit up some backend. Focus on some SQL. Maybe learn the different backend languages. Maybe do a little PHP. Do a little Ruby. What's my go-to snack? I like chips and salsa because I'm a fatty. What's my favorite soccer player? I don't know. Soccer's boring. Yeah, I don't know. This looks a little bit sketch. No mods means riot. We do have a mod. Juan is here. Oh, so you guys know like Flatiron, right? So I reached out to Flatiron because I was like, hey, I've had some people message me about Flatiron, and I'd like to, like look over your curriculum and see what it's about. Like, let's take a look, see what, But they didn't. The marketing person was like, if there's a fit, we'll pass your information along to the marketing team, and if there's a fit, they'll reach out. And I was like, are you declining me for like a job right now? Like, I'm offering to show your content to 20,000 people, and you don't want that. What are you hiding, right? And so we started doing a little digging on the Flatiron, and apparently they got popped for misrepresenting their placement numbers. They were including placements that were unpaid internships, and part-time jobs. You know what I mean? And so placement numbers like that are not good. And then people still message me. They're like, I'm going to Flatiron. And I'm like, you understand that they knowingly misled people with their placement numbers? What are you doing? That's a red flag, and you're still going. And I don't know. I'm all about transparency, not making money. I don't enjoy Lucio Ball. I don't know if Lucio Ball is more like Rocket League. What's the difference between web design and front-end web? Because you need to do an intern at university, and web designers are showing JS, HTML, and CSS. What? The difference between web design is typically like UI, UX, like you do stuff in Sketch. Web develop is like you do the code to make that work. Those kind of people work displayed for X amount of people. Yeah. So, Corey, I hope my suggestions helped. People should just learn to code on the streets. What does that mean, Dalton? Like, the streets of Compton? What streets? Chat got really quiet. Quick, everyone leave. Regards employment rates after these camps. Would it not depend on the person who attended the course if they get a job? Yeah, it's a great statistic, or it's not a great statistic to use because it depends on the person, right? But that's why you're supposed to vet the candidates that come to your school. That's why you do like, all right, you have to pass this test, which is a little difficult, but not too difficult. And then you have to do an interview so that we know that you're serious. You don't just let anyone come in, right? Because if you do that and you have a guarantee, you're going to get... Can't do that. So if the code bootcamp, I don't know, just be careful with placement numbers. If there's no guarantee, 100% if there's no guarantee, don't even waste your time. Seriously, it's like, why not just go to college? College doesn't have a guarantee. It's more expensive, but maybe there's some hot chicks and you get to party. Like, I don't know. Why even go to boot camp then? What's the most efficient way to get back into gear? Sounds like you're trying to avoid it. Hector, it sounds like you're procrastinating a little bit there, my dude. So you haven't coded in 6 to 7 months. Don't worry about jumping back into where you were. Maybe just pick something different that you were interested in rather than your previous project, and then go do that. Go do that thing. Have I heard of Makers Academy? I think I've heard of it. What's the most efficient way to get back? I read that. You're looking for a Golang bootcamp that has deferred to. I don't know if a Golang bootcamp exists. I don't think a Golang bootcamp would do well because I don't think there's enough jobs specifically for Golang to have a great placement rate and a return on investment for the school. So like if there was a bootcamp for Golang, that would assume Golang would be crazy amounts of jobs, but there's not. It's a pretty niche language. Whereas web development bootcamp, right? When you learn web development skills, you can go do whatever language. Let's see. I'm gonna Google Makers Academy. Does it have a guarantee? Makers.tech. Oh, they have a video background, guys. It must be legitimate. She's hitting. Oh, they're doing some Kanban. Let's put our to-do. Oh, we got yoga, guys. Come here. We got bootcamp. Yep, you come to Code Bootcamp to learn yoga because we're so hip and like a startup. I like how they're using an Osmo gimbal. It's so obvious that they're holding an Osmo gimbal. This is great for mobile optimization, video backgrounds. What are we? It's like 2012 right now. Oh, we're replaying it. Great work, everybody. Everyone clap. I'm going to turn the camera around. All right. What does this have to do with anything? I don't understand. I would just change this to be more informative than... Oh, meditation. You saw that? She stuck a little meditation thing there. Perfect. Like, I see a whole bunch of people fucking around and no one learning code. What is this? Is this an advertisement to have a social thing going? Are we all just standing around talking? Are we doing code? What are we doing? What is this? Let's do higher. So that took me to a page where it changed the color. What is happening right now? Request a call. So they'll call you. Community about us. FAQ. Job offer guarantee. What is this? We will refund you if having put a genuine effort, you don't get a job offer. Expecting you to spend most of your time building. So this is so subjective. Holy shit, this is subjective. Look at this. Like, this is having put a genuine effort for, like, this is almost as, like, open to interpretation as, like, the tax code. You know what I mean? Like, this is very subjective. I wouldn't go with a guarantee because this is just so, like, if it had, like, an X date on it, right? Like, there's nothing. Okay, if you keep looking for a job 6 months and can't get a great offer. Okay, so even more subjective bullshit here. If you can't get a great offer, we'll refund you what you paid us. Maintain your stuff. Yeah, I mean, this is all obvious stuff. I don't know. This is where I'm at. Like, this is so up to interpretation. I don't know. This is what I think about the Makers Academy, I guess. I don't know. Like, I just don't get it. How do I apply? How much programming do you need to know? Does this look like someone... Does this look like... Would you want to go here to learn to code, or do you want to go here for, like, social interaction? Because what does any of this have to do with making great applications so that you can get a job, so that you can, like... I don't understand. Oh, a little robot. That's neat. We did a little Arduino. Fantastic. I feel like I should make some of those videos where I just, like... I don't know. Like... Whenever I see, like, there's some billboards around town that show advertisements for, like, colleges, and I'm just like, why is an educational organization advertising to me? Why does an educational organization have a marketing budget, number one? Like, what? Sticky Notes 101. Great job, everybody. Oh, look. I can pause this video. Hold on. We'll go directly to the source, and we can analyze frame by frame. Okay? Let's take a look here. Is this made with WordPress? Oh, it's made with WordPress. Okay, so Makers Academy main site is made with WordPress. Like, first of all, look how distracting this would be. I feel like all this noise and clapping and like team building, I don't know, maybe I'm just antisocial, but like, number one, a coding bootcamp's website is made with WordPress. I feel like, come on, you have a duty to not make a coding bootcamp website in WordPress. All right, let's go back to this. Let's go back to the actual makers. Okay, so here, that's background image. We want the video. Where's the video? Let's just Google it. Video. Here we go. Here. This is the video. So we can analyze what's going on. Great. Okay, so we got a little fizz-buzz action going on here, right up here. I don't know what that says. IOAC retros. Team attend yoga. Okay, why? What else we got on there? +1. What does this +1 have to do with anything? We got V1 needs improving. Okay. This is like the most stock Kanban board I've ever seen in my life. Meditation. What does that have to do with code? I can't read that. I don't know what this says. This is a smiley face. FizzBuzz. Great. I don't understand. I mean, I guess it's great that if you're sitting coding all day, you can do yoga, but why does it have to be so fucking hipster? Little Arduino robot there. Looking cool, man. Wow, that's an awesome robot. I don't see code on anyone's screen. Like, that's not code. That's just like some sticky notes. Playing some ping pong. Hell yeah, let's get jobs by playing ping pong. We got more yoga mats and yoga blocks in the background there. Perfect. XP values. Okay. Exposing BS marketing series. So we're showing some diversity here. Women in the workplace. I guess that's good. I like how they, like, all ethnicities in one group here. I guess you got to include that. Look, what are they presenting? The screen's not even on. Oh, there's the same little robot down there. What else we got? More hitting the gong. Didn't we watch this? Oh, what are they clapping about? She just hit a gong. Great work. Wait, hold on. Let's back up a little bit. This dude's like bouncing up and down in his seat. Are you guys seeing this? Woo! What kind of seat is that? Is that a yoga ball? Probably a yoga ball. Well, that's Makers Academy for you guys. There you go. You decide if you want to go. Does that look like a great coding bootcamp? You decide. Bootcamp bullshit series. There we go. We'll do that. Literally everything but programming. What are you making? Again, the robot will take over the world. Starts at yoga school first. Does that look like a great place? Looks like a great place. I should find more places with video backgrounds and we can analyze. Ugh. I know some more. I know some more for sure. But I don't want to like burn bridges, you know? Like, come on. Maybe college crap as a follow-up? Yep, sure. Let me write that. You need someone who can cut through the bullshit. Well, here you go. Should you spend time learning linked list, sorting tree, graph algorithms? So YSS, the only reason you're going to need those is to do them for a whiteboard interview. That's it. Just look for YouTube promos. Hold on, I should write this down. This is how we become famous, guys. Yeah, so the problem is, like, I don't want to burn bridges entirely by doing this, but I think it's more valuable that people watching this are, like, you know, not getting gypped on their money. You know what I mean? Let's see. I mean, you can bash it, right? Like, you can make fun of it, but that's not what I'm about. I'm more about just like, look, guys, ignore this. That's not what you need. Go do this thing. I'm not trying to like be a negative channel. Maybe we can have some fun with it, but it's still like, I don't know. I feel like I should give constructive criticism over just crapping on it. But I mean, if they're obviously a scam, then they get what they deserve. You know what I mean? I think those videos would actually get a lot of views. All right, I'm just going to make a video called Maker's Academy where you can learn how to meditate and do yoga. Boom, done. Where's some other ones? Let's look at some other ones. Dead end dev. You mean like dreaded dev? Do I think Casey Neistat's overhyped? Why does it matter what I think? I like his video content. I think he got in early. He made a smart decision to invest in YouTube. Can I say hello to Turkey? It's kind of a strange request. Hello, Turkey. How's it going? Hope you guys are doing good. I'd like to, you know, eat some turkey. Trilogy. Oh, all right. Let me note that one down. Fuck Trilogy. The most bullshit shit ever. I don't even care. Like, Trilogy Education, first of all, they want to underpay me like fucking $19 an hour. Are you kidding me? And they're going to tell me, I haven't been in the industry for 5 years, so we can't let you teach. Okay, well, how about I just teach myself? You know, just make this own... I don't know. Fuck Trilogy Education, man. They bait you. They bait you into it because they're like, we're partnered with the University of whatever. But universities are already bullshit. Like, if you're partnered with the university, why would the university even allow that unless you guys are both making egregious profits? Why would someone even go to college if they could just go to bootcamp instead? Oh, probably because you're giving a portion of the money the student gets from the bootcamp back to the college, so the college makes money because you get to use their name. Sounds like a scam. Sounds like you're getting baited. Udemy needs to get some shots fired. It depends. It's not on Udemy. Some of the teachers are good. Oh shit. Here we go, guys. All right. Here we go. We got another one. Here we go. Trilogy Education. Back at it again with another coding video background. Here we go. Let's find the video. Where's the video? Images. Is there another one? There should be an element. Div ID video. Here it is. It's kind of odd though. It's in an iframe. Here. Hey, we found the video. That's
one of the toughest things you did.
Oh, all right. This is a different video. All right, let's go back. All right, so we got homeboy here doing some code. More people sitting in a room, looking good. Yep. All right. Staring intensely at something. Oh, collaboration. Paid product placement for Doland Water there. I feel like there's a lot more to Trilogy Education, but they want to show one guy in one classroom. And we're back again. Is this a GIF? What is this? Oh, found the video. Got it. Here. All right, hold on. All right, we got it. Frame by frame. Oh, at least our laptops are on here. That's also good. What else? I think video backgrounds are cool, but like, what are they learning here? What are they... Like, could we see JavaScript or something on the board? Not just some guy grasping concepts and ideas. What is this? This dude looks like... This looks like Jordan Peele, sort of. Reminds me from, like, Jordan Peele from Key and Peele. I mean, I guess that's what... Are you exposing these people or what's going on? We're looking at code boot camps that don't show anything about code boot camp or very generic stock footage backgrounds. We got homeboy. What's he talking about? Vice President for Continuing Education. I wonder how much he makes. Oh, some guy walking through a server room. Looking good. What does this have to do with anything? Chief Marketing Officer. Okay. Oh, we gotta have our Rutgers Coding Bootcamp. Why wouldn't you just go to computer science, dude? Come on. Why would you go to a coding bootcamp? Why wouldn't you just go through the typical computer science? Why would the college allow that? Oh, because money. That's right. We have your typical Apple dudes with more than enough stickers. More stickers than you get in the first grade for completing your assignments. Okay. What is this guy doing? Hold on, let's back up. Hold on. Did you see that? Dude's having a little too much fun. What is that? What's going on with his hand? Oh, so now we're just going university to university, expecting people to like believe in credibility. All right, we got Homeboy from the main page, recycling some clips there. That's good. What is this? Senior Director of Training. Okay. That's good. Homeboy. Got to get that forward motion going. Yep, looks good. UC Berkeley Extension. Why wouldn't you just go here to do computer science? Yeah, I don't know. Trilogy services are a perfect fit for our requirements. Well, luckily for you, there's no job guarantee at college or this boot camp. Next. Yep. Program graduate. What does he have to say? Who's this? Program graduate. How much they pay you? Instructor, Northwestern Coding Bootcamp. This guy looks like really familiar. He kind of looks like Summit 1G from Twitch. Yeah, kind of looks like Summit 1G. Oh, we got another one. Trilogy helps us address our region's demand for more professionals in IT-related fields. I really think, why wouldn't the computer science program of Arizona Tech State University or whatever just fix their curriculum? Why wouldn't you just fix your curriculum at the school? I don't get it. What's up, Nicholas? Some dude's on the phone doing some stuff. Can we get some 1Gs in the chat? Catherine. Hello, my name is Catherine. Hello, Catherine. I just feel so sorry for some of these people who went here that didn't get jobs, and then those people aren't the ones being interviewed. You don't get to hear about those dudes. Thanks, Brody, for chilling. We got Aaron Linton. Is this like a meet and greet? What is this? Together with Trilogy, we're producing an important workforce talent pipeline for Charlotte's digital. Why wouldn't you just fix your curriculum at the college? Why would you allow someone to come in and take your money? I don't get it. Later, William. Man, he's passionate. Maybe we should rewatch this with audio. I'm just having too much fun. Education services. I don't know if I would think about education as a service. I feel like just Trilogy Education. Because if you have education as a service, then you have customer service, right? I don't know. This is bullshit, man. 100% of them got jobs. Not at this place. I feel like this is just a scam. It's a more direct path, shorter in length, but they're partnered with a college. So why would the college promote this? Because the college would be losing money by giving this company their students, right? The students aren't going to pay their outrageous tuition. They're going to go to Trilogy Education instead and pay that tuition. But I'm betting you, because Trilogy gets to use their name, Trilogy gives them money back, and so they're okay with it, right? So that to me seems like a scam. Avoid this shit. I think we're going to end this stream on a good note, right? I think this was kind of fun. Hope you guys were entertained. If you're entertained, hit that like. Maybe I'll make some videos where we just boot camp bullshit or college crap, where we just talk about the basically how you can be misled by certain educational institutions. All right, guys. I'm going to go lift some weights. This gets me too fired up. Yeah, they're probably getting the deal. All right, my dudes, I'm out. I'm going to do some shout outs. Ashley, you know the Northwestern dude? Cryptoverse, thanks for hanging out. Misery. Dalton, can you start a boot camp? No. Can you recommend Stack Overflow? Yeah, for sure. Ivan, Misery. What curriculum did you take at Lambda? Pure CS? I didn't go to Lambda school. What is the solution? The solution is to be very picky in the educational service that you pick if you're going to pay money. Juan, thanks for hanging out. Mohammed. Yeah, these are people cashing in on code bootcamps. Is Python actually quick and dirty? Maybe. Nicholas, thanks for hanging out. We got Josh, Takaro, Morgan, good guy Greg. Yeah. Madness. I don't know. There's some people who've messaged me that went to this boot camp, and I'm like, I'm really sorry, but you got jebaited. Can you really do almost anything with it? Tyson seems to be mad. Let me show you before I leave. Look at Tyson. He wants to say offensive things, but Tyson, you just look really small, okay? You see this? You see this comment, Tyson? So now enjoy your ban. Have a nice day. Have fun at the gym. Thanks, good guy Greg. Appreciate you. Quick on PHP. Yes, no, or shut up. Maybe PHP. All right, dudes. I'm out. Have a good one. I'll catch you later in the video.